Hello and welcome to the John Ark Show. Today's episode is called What Should You Do When Your Home Loses 50% of Its Value? Before we begin, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel for free. You can also like, comment, and follow us. We're going to have a lot of great celebrity interviews coming up, so make sure to click on that notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new channel. Also, we ask that you post a link to today's episode on all your social media to help spread the word. Now, let's get started. Many of the experts believe that if interest rates go up another point or so, then the real estate market will collapse into something that no one wants to see or experience. They expect it to grind to a halt and freeze up. But what happens if they're right? What happens if your home's value does drop by 50% or more? Well, if you're going to spend the rest of your life in that home, then the effects will not be as dramatic on you as they would on somebody else. But if that happens, then you have far less equity in your home to pull out if you want to refi. But is there another way that you can recoup some of your losses? Well, there are some options. For example, some people will rent out a room or their entire house just to make some money on Airbnb to cover their losses. Some people will rent out their pools during the summer and make some great money that way. Some people will lease out their homes for 6 to 12 months and live in their basements while their tenants live upstairs. Another thing that homeowners can do is to go to the city clerk's office and file an appeal to lower their new property taxes based on the lower value of their home. But what do you do if the economy gets insane and your home's value keeps dropping? Well, that depends on your particular financial situation and options. If you plan to live there forever, then that's one thing. But if you have other plans that'll make your situation much more complicated, then you should start worrying a little bit. Remember, when you're selling your house, you're not just selling the home. You're losing the home's mortgage and its current low interest rate. The interest rate you get on your next home and mortgage may be much higher. And the next home you can afford may be much smaller. So keep all of that in mind. Another thing you can do is to consider renting an apartment while you lease out your entire home for 12 months or so. There are also some other options. You might want to consider getting an apartment first and then giving the house back to the bank, or just filing for bankruptcy. Remember, we don't give investment advice, so make sure to talk to an expert, your tax guy or a lawyer before you do anything or take any action. Now, the economy is going to get very strange. It's much stranger than it's been already. And that's going to have a very dramatic effect on a lot of people's lives and options. So, be very thoughtful about your next move. Good luck, and thank you for watching. I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel for free. You can also like, comment, and follow us. We're going to have a lot of great celebrity interviews coming up. So make sure you click on that notification bell so that you can be notified every time we post a new show just for you. Thank you, and we shall talk to you soon. Bye-bye.